The story begins with a little boy named Jack, who lives with his father. He loved reading stories about the joints, which his mother used to read to him as long as she was alive. The story goes that many years ago, some monks found magical beans. They thought they would create a path to the sky. But when they reached the top, they found something else, something between the earth and the sky. That place was called Gantua, where extremely dangerous joints lived. Now, from those magical plants, the joints came down and began torturing people. Princess Isabel was listening to this story. Her mother told her this story and asked, "Are you afraid of the two-headed joint, the king of all these joints?" No, I'm not," the princess replied. The sages melted the joint's heart and fashioned a crown, which King Eric placed on it. King Eric subdued the joints and sent them back to Gantua. Afterward, the magical plants were cut down, and peace reigned forever. The king's crown was buried with the king, and the story became a legend. When Jack's father was putting him to sleep, the boy asked if the joints would ever return. His father said that even if they did, the king's descendants would stop them, but he finally left, saying that there was no such thing as joints. Meanwhile, the princess's mother told him that he was King Eric's blood. When Jack's father left his room, the boy began reading the story again, which stated that one day the joints would return, wage war on Earth against humans, and kill Eric's descendants. 10 years later, Jack's uncle sent him to town to sell his horse. He also warned him not to let his attention wander on the way. Upon reaching town, Jack, now a young man, began selling his horse and carriage. His attention immediately turned to the town's playhouse. There, people were retelling the story of King Eric and the joints. While watching the play, Jack noticed a beautiful girl. The girl had also noticed Jack watching her. The play had barely ended when 3 men began harassing the girl. As the girl was leaving, Jack chased them and stopped them. One of them punched Jack in the face, but Jack still said affectionately, "Let the girl go." Suddenly, some of the king's special soldiers appeared from behind, and the 3 men immediately apologized. Jack felt there was something special about her. As soon as they saw the princess mount the horse, they immediately fell to their knees. This shocked Jack, wondering what he had done. But when he turned around, he realized what was going on. After the princess left, Jack came out and saw that someone had stolen his carriage. Meanwhile, in the palace, a frightened muck appeared before Rick, the king's advisor. He seemed a little flustered, which made Rick suspicious. He immediately went to old King Eric's room to check if everything was all right. But there he found that the magic beans had been stolen, but the king's special crown was still there. He immediately told Vic to close the city gates so that the priest could not escape. The priest had already realized that the soldiers were searching for him. Just then he saw Jack selling the horse. The priest approached Jack and said, "Look, I don't have any money, but I can give you these magical beans." Jack hesitated a bit, but the priest said, "These are very special. I'll get you a lot of money in exchange for them later." The priest said, "Don't lose them under any circumstances, and certainly don't let them get wet." Jack was still thinking when the priest took the horse and ran off. Vic's men chased him and caught him before he could leave the city. Jack's uncle was scolding him. "You brought these 4 beans in exchange for a horse. Is that all you have in common?" The king was also scolding the princess. "Why did you leave the palace without any soldiers? Soon you will be the queen of this kingdom. If I'm going to be queen, then listen to me. Why are you marrying me just like that, and to a man twice my age?" The king wanted to marry the princess to Rudrick. But Isabel, who had told the princess she shouldn't marry him, said she wasn't a weak, helpless woman. With that, she left. Meanwhile, Jack's uncle angrily threw the beans off the table, then mixed them with sesame seeds and left. We then see Vic and Rick interrogating the man. Muck said he should have left the beans where they were buried. They were created with black magic. These beans cannot be controlled. Rick ignored him and killed him. A little while later, Jack was worried about his uncle, who was out in the storm. At that moment, the princess, who had fled the palace, lost her way. She saw the lights of Jack's house and headed towards it. As Jack was getting ready to go find his uncle, the princess knocked on the door. Jack invited her in, and they began to talk. The storm was pouring water onto the ground, slowly reaching one of the magic beans. Jack showed Isabel a book he'd read as a child about joints. They both pretended not to recognize each other. Jack asked, "Who are you running from?" The princess replied, "You mean me." Meanwhile, the water had reached the magic bean lying on the ground, and it began to grow. He started to cry, but neither of them was aware of it. Suddenly, the house began to shake, and a huge plant began to grow. It happened so fast that Jack fell out of the house, but Isabel was trapped inside. The entire house flew up with the rapidly growing plant. Jack also quickly climbed up to save the princess. Somehow Jack reached back home, but as Isabel opened the door, he accidentally pushed Jack. Jack grabbed her hand but still fell down. As he fell, he caught the princess's mother's bracelet. Somehow Jack landed safely on the ground, but he was unconscious. The next morning the king arrived, noticing the huge vine. He woke him up and asked, "Why do you have my daughter's bracelet?" Elmont, the special guard from the same market, recognized Jack. Then Jack explained everything. The king decided that Jack, Rudrick and Elmont would search for Isabel together. After a while, they began climbing the large tree. Rudrick was up to some tricks of his own. Jack asked Elmont, "What would be up there? Do you believe the story about the joints?" Elmont replied, "There might be joints." Elmont replied simply, "You're doing all this to win the princess's heart, right? Even if she doesn't marry Rudrick, she won't marry a commoner like you." Another soldier, named Crown, tried to push Jack to the other side. But Jack lost his grip and fell midair. They somehow rescued him and continued climbing. The path to the top was quite steep, so many of their companions died. In the end, only 6 of them were left. The next morning, they all somehow reached the top of the tree. Upon reaching the top, they found a broken part of the house, and everyone set off to search for the princess in this mysterious world. As Elmont moved forward, Rudrick stopped Jack and threatened him to give him all the remaining magic beans. Jack handed him the purse full of beans. Rick told him not to tell anyone about this. But Jack, being a cunning player, had hidden one bean. Elmont and Crone found the trail left by Isabel. They quickly followed. While they were searching for Isabel, Jack found the book he had given her. He told everyone that she must be hiding there. Then they saw broken tree branches nearby. Jack thought that something big must have dragged her away. Seeing she was in trouble, Elmont divided his men into 2 groups. He, Crow, and Jack began searching for prey to eat, but they soon became entangled in a trap. Elmont cut through it and tried to escape, but then he saw someone approaching. They quickly escaped and hid. A joint appeared and devoured a sheep whole. Then suddenly it caught Crow's scent. Joint soon found Crow. Crow tried to escape, but Joint leaped to him. Just as Joint was about to devour him, Elmont ran to attack him, but Joint kicked him unconscious. Joint then grabbed them both and took them away. Jack followed quietly without making a sound. Meanwhile, the other group reached the waterfall. Meanwhile, Rick tricked a soldier into saying, "Look, princess." As he stepped forward to look, he pushed the soldier. Suddenly, a joint grabbed Vic and ate him. Another joint appeared, but Rudrick grabbed the special crown in time, saving his life. Jack chased the joints to their town. Then we saw Isabel held captive by a joint who asked her how she got there. The girl didn't answer. The joint asked again if anyone else was coming, to which Isabel replied, "I'm alone." But the 2-headed joint, General Phelan, knows that Isabel is a descendant of King Eric. He showed his people that humans had returned. Then another joint brought Crow and Elmont there as well.
तभी
The
हमने
leader
देखा
of the
कि
joints
इजाबेल को
questioned
एक
them.
जाइंट ने
Crow
कैद
didn't
करके
answer
रखा
and
हुआ
started
था, जो
mocking
उससे
them.
पूछ रहा
Then
था
a
कि
joint
वो
ate
यहाँ
Crow
तक
in one
कैसे आई।
go.
लड़की ने
Jack heard
कोई
the
जवाब नहीं
commotion
दिया।
but sneaked
जाइंट
over
ने
to the
दोबारा
scene,
पूछा कि कोई
avoiding
और
2
भी आ रहा है
joints.
क्या, जिस पर
General
इजाबेल ने
Fallon
कहा कि
threatened
मैं
Elmont
अकेली
with a
हूँ।
threat to
लेकिन
eat
2 सर
Isabel.
वाला वो
If he
जाइंट
didn't
जनरल
answer,
फैलन
he started
जानता है
fighting
कि
with another
इजाबेल
joint
किंग
over who
एरिक
had the
की
right to
वंशज
eat
है।
her.
उसने अपने
Just
लोगों
then,
को
Rick
दिखाया
arrived
कि
wearing a
इंसान
crown.
वापस आ गए हैं।
All the
तभी
joints
दूसरा
fell to their
जाइंट
knees,
क्रॉ और
even the
एलमॉन्ट
general.
को भी वहाँ ले आया।
Elmont was
जाइंट्स के
delighted
नेता
that
ने
Rick had
उनसे सवाल
arrived,
किए।
but
क्रॉ
Rick
को जवाब
simply
ना
sat
देते
down on
हुए
his
उनका
throne.
मजाक उड़ाने लगा।
Isabel and
तो एक
Elmont were
जाइंट ने
both
एक
shocked
ही
when Rick
झटके में
told the
क्रॉ को
joints,
खा लिया।
"Now
जैक
you'll
ने
fight
शोर
for me.
सुना पर 2
We'll
जाइंट
attack
से
Earth
बचकर
tomorrow morning.
चुपचाप वहाँ पहुँच
Prepare your
गया।
army."
जनरल फैलन ने
General Fallon
एलमॉन्ट को
didn't like
धमकाया
this at
कि वो
all.
इजाबेल को
Jack
खा
saw a
जाएगा
room where the
अगर उसने
stolen
जवाब
goods
नहीं
from
दिया
Earth
तो।
were kept.
एक और जाइंट के
During
साथ
all
वो
this,
लड़ने लगा
he
कि
heard
आखिर
Isabel
किसको इसे
begging for her
खाने का हक
life.
है। तभी
The joints
रॉड्रिक
were
वहां
preparing
मुकुट
to eat
पहन कर
her.
आया।
Jack
सभी जाइंट्स
immediately
घुटनों
arrived.
पर गिर गए।
The joint
यहाँ
was
तक कि
looking for
जनरल भी।
something.
एलमॉन्ट
When
खुश
Jack
हुआ कि
couldn't get
रॉड्रिक आ
Isabel
गया,
out,
पर
he
रॉड्रिक तो
went to
सीधा
Elmont and
सिंहासन पर
stole
बैठ
one
गया।
from him.
इजाबेल और
When the joint
एलमॉन्ट दोनों
returned,
हैरान
he
हुए जब
covered
रॉड्रिक
Elmont
ने
with flour
जाइंट से
all
कहा
over
कि
and
अब
then
तुम
put
लोग
him in the
मेरे
oven.
लिए लड़ोगे।
Perhaps
हम
he
कल
wanted to
सुबह
make a
धरती पर
samosa
हमला
out of
करेंगे,
Elmont.
अपनी फौज को
Jack
तैयार
climbed
करो।
up.
जनरल फैलन
Meanwhile,
को ये बात
Elmont
बिल्कुल
broke through the
पसंद नहीं
flour
आई।
and pulled
इधर जैक ने
himself
एक
out.
कमरा देखा जहां
Suddenly, the
धरती से
joint pulled
चुराया हुआ
Isabel from the
सामान रखा
cage.
था। इस सब
Jack
के
took the
दौरान उसने
opportunity
सुना
and
कि
picked up a
इजाबेल
large
अपनी
knife
जान
and
की
plunged
भीख
it
मांग
into
रही
the
है।
joint.
जाइंट्स उसे
Soon,
खाने की
Elmont
तैयारी
also
कर
threw
रहे थे।
himself
जैक
into the
तुरंत
oven.
वहां पहुंच गया।
They freed
जाइंट को
themselves.
कुछ ढूंढ रहा था।
Isabel hid,
जैक जब
and Jack
इजाबेल
clung
को
to
बाहर
Joint's
नहीं
back.
निकाल पाया तो
Joint,
एलमॉन्ट
trying
के
to
पास
crush
गया
Jack,
और उसे एक
slammed
छुरा दिया।
himself
जब
against the
जाइंट
wall.
वापस आया
But
तो
the
उसने
fool died on
एलमॉन्ट
his
को
own.
हर तरफ से
Elmont
आटे
was
से ढक दिया
astonished that
और
Jack
फिर
had killed
अवन में
such a
डाल दिया।
large joint.
शायद वो एलमॉन्ट का
Then Jack
समोसा
said,
बनाना चाहता
"I
था।
know a
जैक
way.
ऊपर चढ़ गया।
Come with
इतने
me
में एलमॉन्ट
quickly."
ने आटे को
Downstairs,
तोड़कर
the
खुद
king
को
asked
बाहर
his
निकाल
general
लिया।
if they should
अचानक
cut
जाइंट
down
ने
this
इजाबेल
magical
को
plant.
पिंजरे से
The
खींच
general
लिया।
advised
जैक ने
them to
मौका
wait a
पाकर
little
एक बड़ी
longer.
सी छुरी उठाई और
Otherwise,
जाइंट
even
के
those who
अंदर
had
घुसा
gone
दी।
up wouldn't be
जल्द
able
ही
to
एलमॉन्ट
return.
ने भी खुद को
Soon,
छुड़ा लिया।
Jack,
इजाबेल
Elmont,
छुप
and the
गई और
princess
जैक
arrived
जाइंट
at the
की पीठ पर
riverbank,
लटक गया।
where they found a
जाइंट ने
sleeping
जैक को
joint.
मसलने के
Jack
चक्कर में
thought they
अपने
could
आप को
wake him up
दीवार
with a
पर जोर से
beehive.
मारा,
Then
लेकिन
he
वो
would run
बेवकूफ
away
खुद ही मर
unnoticed.
गया।
The
एलमॉन्ट
two
ये
men
देखकर
went to the
हैरान हो
sleeping
गया कि
joint,
जैक ने
placed
इतने
the
बड़े
beehive in
जाइंट
his
को मार
mask,
गिराया।
and ran
तभी
and
जैक ने
hid.
कहा कि मुझे
Within
एक
moments,
रास्ता पता
Joint
है,
woke
जल्दी
up in
चलो
a
मेरे साथ।
panic. He
नीचे
lost his
राजा ने अपने
balance and
जनरल
fell
से
off the
पूछा
cliff.
कि क्या इस जादुई
Isabel and
पौधे
Jack
को काट देना
embraced,
चाहिए,
happy
जिस
to
पर
have
जनरल ने
escaped
सलाह
another
दी कि
disaster.
थोड़ा और
But
इंतजार
Elmont
कर
didn't
लेते हैं,
like it.
वरना जो हमारे
Walking
लोग
toward the
ऊपर गए
shore,
हैं
Eld
वो
said,
भी वापस
"I
नहीं आ
have to
पाएंगे।
stay here to
जल्द ही
keep an eye
जैक,
on
एलमॉन्ट और
Roderick."
राजकुमारी
He told
नदी
Jack
के
to take the
किनारे आ गए,
princess
जहाँ
home.
उन्हें एक सोया
"Now
हुआ
you are
जाइंट
her
मिला।
guardian."
जैक ने सोचा कि
Isabel said
मधुमक्खी
goodbye
के
to
छत्ते
Elmont,
की
and they
मदद से इसे
left.
जगा देते
Just
हैं,
then,
फिर ये
the
भाग
large
जाएगा,
joint
हमारे
landed
ऊपर
near the
ध्यान नहीं
magical
देगा।
plant.
दोनों आदमी
The
सोए
king
हुए
saw it
जाइंट
and
के
told
पास
his
गए,
general,
छत्ता
"My
उसके
daughter
मास्क
is
में
not
रखा
more
और
important
भाग
than
कर
the
छुप गए।
entire
कुछ ही
kingdom.
पलों में
Everyone's
जाइंट
lives will
हड़बड़ा
be
कर
in
जाग
danger.
गया। उसका
Cut it
बैलेंस बिगड़ा
down."
और वो
The
चट्टान से
general
नीचे
still
गिर
wanted
गया।
to wait
एक
for
और
the
मुसीबत से
princess to
बच जाने की
return.
खुशी में
So the
इजाबेल
king
और
took his
जैक
sword
गले
and
मिले,
began cutting
लेकिन
it
एलमॉन्ट
himself,
को ये पसंद नहीं आया।
apologizing
किनारे
loudly
की
to his
तरफ चलते
daughter.
हुए एलमॉन्ट
Seeing
ने
the
कहा
king's
कि मुझे
intentions,
यहीं
the
रुकना
general
होगा
told
ताकि
his men to
रॉड्रिक के
cut it
ऊपर
down
नजर
quickly.
रखी जा सके।
At that
उसने
very
जैक से
moment,
कहा कि
Jack and
राजकुमारी को
Isabel were
घर ले जाओ,
descending from the
अब तुम ही
tree.
उसके
They
रखवाले
saw
हो।
their city and
इजाबेल
came
ने
very
एलमॉन्ट
close.
को अलविदा
They
कहा और
wondered what
दोनों
the
वहां से
people
चल
below
दिए।
might be
इतने में
doing.
वो बड़ा
The
सा
work of
जाइंट
cutting
जादुई
down that
पौधे के
magical
पास
tree
जा
was
गिरा।
going on at a
राजा ने
rapid
उसे देखा
pace.
और अपने जनरल से
Meanwhile,
कहा
in
कि मेरी
Gantua,
बेटी पूरी
Elmont was
रियासत
waiting
से
for
ज्यादा
Roderick on the
जरूरी नहीं है,
shore.
सब लोगों की जान
He woke
खतरे
up
में आ
when the
जाएगी,
joint's
काट
army
डालो इसे।
approached.
जनरल अभी भी
Roderick
चाहता
came and
था
went
कि
towards the
राजकुमारी के
shore.
आने का इंतजार किया
Suddenly,
जाए, तो
Elmont
राजा ने
attacked him,
तलवार
and
उठाई और
his
खुद
remaining
ही
beams
काटने
fell.
लगा। वो
A
जोर
fierce
जोर से
battle
अपनी
broke
बेटी
out
से
between
माफी
them.
मांग रहा था।
Roderick
राजा
asked
के
for
इरादे
help
को
from the
देखकर
joints.
जनरल ने
So
अपने
General
आदमियों को
Fallon
कहा
ordered
कि
his men
जल्दी
to
से
take
इसे
him out.
काट डालो। उसी
Roderick was
समय
winning the
जैक और
battle
इजाबेल
between
उस
Roderick
पौधे
and
से नीचे
Elmont.
उतर रहे थे।
But then
उन्होंने अपना
Elmont
शहर
grabbed his
देखा और
sword
वो
and wounded
काफी
him.
करीब आ गए। फिर
Roderick,
सोचने
seizing
लगे
the
कि नीचे वाले
opportunity,
लोग क्या
pushed
कर रहे
Elmont
होंगे।
off the
उस
shore.
करिश्माई
But
पौधे को
Elmont
काटने
took
का
his
काम
knife and
बहुत
killed
तेजी
him.
से चल रहा
The
था।
joints
इसी
broke through
बीच
the stone and
गैंडुआ में
created a
एलमॉन्ट
hole,
किनारे
but
पर
they couldn't
रॉड्रिक का
reach
इंतजार
Roderick
कर
in
रहा
time,
था। उसकी
and
नींद
Rick was
तब
killed.
खुली जब
But
जाइंट्स
now
की
they had
सेना
the
पास
crown.
आई। रॉड्रिक
General
आया और
Fallon
किनारे
wore
की
it on
तरफ
his
गया।
finger
तब
and
अचानक
became king
एलमॉन्ट
of
ने
the
उस पर
joints.
हमला किया
Down
और उसके
below, the
बचे
men
हुए
cut off
बीन्स
a
गिर
part
गए।
of the
अब उन
magical
दोनों के
plant.
बीच
As
जबरदस्त
soon as the
लड़ाई छिड़
bottom
गई।
was cut,
रॉड्रिक ने
the plant
जाइंट से
began to
मदद
shake
मांगी तो जनरल
strangely.
फैलन ने
Up
अपने
above,
आदमियों से
Isabel
कहा
and
कि
Jack
उसे
also
बाहर
felt it.
निकालो।
The
रॉड्रिक और
plant was
एलमॉन्ट की इस
falling
लड़ाई में
rapidly, so
रॉड्रिक
Jack
जीत
told
रहा था,
Isabel to
लेकिन
hold on
तभी
tight.
एलमॉन्ट ने उसकी तलवार
Meanwhile,
पकड़कर उसे
Elmont
घायल
also
कर
climbed
दिया।
onto the
रॉड्रिक
stock
ने मौका
before it
देखकर
broke.
एलमॉन्ट को
General
किनारे से
Fallon was
धकेल दिया,
watching.
लेकिन
Jack
एलमॉन्ट
and
ने
Isabel
अपनी
were
छुरी
descending
उठाकर उसे
rapidly.
मार डाला।
Jack
जायंट्स
used
ने
a part
पत्थर
of the
तोड़कर
plant as a
सुराख
rope,
बनाया, पर
and
वो
they both
रॉड्रिक
swung
तक
from
समय
it.
रहते
The
पहुंच
upper
नहीं पाए
part of the
और
plant,
रॉड्रिक
which Elf
मारा
was
गया,
holding,
लेकिन अब
fell
उन्हें
down to
ताज
the
मिल गया
palace.
था। जनरल
But
फैलन
before
ने
it could
उसे
hit
अपनी
the
उंगली में
ground,
पहन लिया
Elmont
और
jumped.
जायंट्स का
The king
राजा
was
बन गया।
deeply
नीचे उस
saddened,
जादुई
thinking
पौधे
he
के
might have
पास
lost his
आदमियों ने
daughter.
एक हिस्सा
But then
काट दिया।
suddenly the
नीचे
general
का हिस्सा
arrived with
कटते ही
Isabel.
पौधा अजीबोगरीब
Isabel told
तरीके
her
से हिलने
father the
लगा।
entire
ऊपर
story of
इजाबेल
what
और
had
जैक
happened.
ने भी ये
The king
महसूस किया।
rewarded
अब वो
Jack for
पौधा
saving his
तेजी
daughter
से
and
नीचे
said,
गिर रहा था,
"As
तो
a
जैक ने
father,
इजाबेल
I
से
will
कहा
never
कि
be
मुझे
able to
जोर से
repay
पकड़
you."
कर रखो।
With a
उधर
heavy heart,
एलमॉन्ट भी
Jack said
स्टॉक पर
goodbye
चढ़
and
गया
gave
उसके
Isabel the
टूटने से
book so
पहले।
she could
इस
keep
वक्त
it in the
जनरल
back of her
फैलन उसे
mind.
देख रहा था।
Soon, the
जैक और
princess
इजाबेल बड़ी
returned to the
तेजी से
palace
नीचे
with her
उतर रहे थे।
father.
जैक ने
Everyone
पौधे के
thought
एक
the
हिस्से
danger
का
was
रस्सी की
averted,
तरह
but
इस्तेमाल किया
General
और
Fallon
दोनों
found the
उसे
magic
पकड़कर
beans
वहां से
from Rick.
झूल गए।
He
उस
threw
पौधे
them
का
into
ऊपरी
the water,
हिस्सा जो
and
एलमॉन्ट ने
immediately
पकड़ा
another
हुआ था
magical
वो
plant began to
राजमहल तक
grow.
जाकर गिरा,
General
लेकिन उसके
Fallon
जमीन पर
prepared his
फटाक
men,
से गिरने से
as the
पहले
beans were
एलमॉन्ट
growing
कूद
ripe
गया।
on the edge of his land.
राजा इस बात से
Even
बहुत
before the
दुखी था,
plant
ये
had fully
सोचकर कि
grown,
शायद
the
उसने अपनी
joints
बेटी को
began
खो
climbing
दिया।
it.
पर तभी
Eventually,
अचानक
the general
जनरल
climbed up
इजाबेल
as
के
well.
साथ वहां
On
आया।
the ground,
इजाबेल ने
Jack
अपने
found
पिता
his
को
horse
पूरी
and saw
कहानी
the
सुनाई
joints
कि ऊपर
descending.
क्या क्या हुआ। राजा
He
ने अपनी
quickly
बेटी को
mounted his
बचाने के
horse and
लिए
rushed
जैक
to
को एक
inform the
इनाम
king.
दिया और कहा
Within
कि एक
moments,
बाप
the
होने
joints
के
were
नाते
back on
मैं तुम्हारा
Earth.
एहसान
Jack
कभी
told
नहीं
the
चुका
hawk to
पाऊंगा।
quickly ring the
अलविदा कहते
bells.
हुए जैक
Then
ने
he went
भारी
to the
मन
king
से
and
इजाबेल
Isabel
को
and
वो
told them
किताब दी
about the
ताकि वो
joints.
अपने दिमाग
Just
के
then
किसी
they
कोने में
spotted
उसे
some joints
याद तो रख
behind
सके।
them.
और फिर
Everyone
जल्द ही
started running
राजकुमारी
towards
अपने
the
पिता
city.
के साथ महल
General
में चली
Fallon
गई।
was now
सबको लग
after
रहा
the
था
king.
कि अब तो
Elmont
बला टल
prepared
गई,
the
लेकिन
army
उधर
and the
जनरल
city.
फैलन को रॉड्रिक
Everything
के
from
पास
bows
से
and
वो
arrows
जादुई
to hot
बीन्स
oil
मिल
was
गए।
prepared.
उसने उन्हें पानी
The
में फेंक
joints were
दिया
now
और
right
तुरंत एक
behind
और
Jack.
जादुई पौधा
Elmont
उगने
was
लगा।
waiting for
जनरल
them to
फैलन ने
arrive in
अपने
the
लोगों
city
को
so he
तैयार
could set
किया
the oil
क्योंकि
on
बीन्स
fire.
उनकी जमीन
As the
के
king
बिल्कुल
entered the
किनारे
city,
पर
the
उग रहे
bridge
थे।
rose.
पौधे के पूरा
Jack
उगने
jumped
से
off,
पहले
but
ही
General
जाइंट्स
Fallon
उस पर
also jumped
चढ़ने लगे।
behind him.
आखिरकार
Elmont
जनरल
pushed
भी
him
ऊपर
off the
चढ़ गया।
bridge, and he
जमीन
fell
पर
into the
जैक ने
oil.
अपना घोड़ा
The other
ढूंढा और
joints
जाइंट्स
began
को
making
नीचे आता
arrangements
देखा।
to enter
फिर वो
the
जल्दी
city,
से घोड़े
while
पर
Fallon
सवार
remained
होकर राजा
underwater.
को खबर देने
Meanwhile,
पहुंचा। कुछ ही
Elmont
पलों में
introduced Jack and
जाइंट्स धरती
Isabel.
पर पहुंच गए।
He
जैक ने
told
एक
the
मॉन्क
king
से
that the
कहा कि
two-faced
जल्दी
joint
से
had a
घंटियां
crown on his
बजाओ
finger.
और फिर उसने
We
राजा और
can't
इजाबेल
escape
के
this
पास
disaster
जाकर
until
जाइंट्स
we
के
get
बारे में
it.
बताया। तभी
Then the
उन्होंने
joints
कुछ
threw a
जाइंट्स
large
को
bell
अपने
into the
पीछे देख
city,
लिया। सब
hooked it
लोग
onto the
शहर की
bridge,
तरफ
and pulled
भागने
it
लगे।
up.
जनरल
The king
फैलन अब
told
राजा
Isabel
के
to go
पीछे लग
to her
चुका था।
room.
एलमोंट
Go
ने
and light
सेना
the
और
torch to
शहर को
warn the
तैयार
other
किया।
kings nearby.
कमान से लेकर
He
गरम
told
तेल
Jack
तक
to
सब
take care
कुछ
of his
तैयार किया
daughter.
गया। जाइंट्स अब
Elmont and
जैक
his
के
other
बिल्कुल
soldiers
पीछे
began
तक आ
to
गए
guard
थे।
the bridge.
एलमोंट उनके शहर
Isabel
में आने
showed
का
Jack a
इंतजार कर रहा
shortcut that
था
led through
ताकि तेल
underground
को आग
tombs.
लगा सके।
Soon they
राजा के
passed
शहर
King
में घुसते
Eric's
ही
tomb.
पुल
They
ऊपर उठ
reached
गया।
the king's
जैक कूद
chambers.
गया पर
But then
जनरल
they heard
फैलन
something
भी उसके पीछे
underground.
पीछे कूद
General
गया था।
Fallon was breaking
एलमोंट ने
through the
उसे
wall
पुल से
from
धक्का
below.
दिया और वो
Seeing
तेल में
him,
जा
they
गिरा।
immediately
बाकी
started
जाइंट
running.
शहर में घुसने
The
का
army
इंतजाम
tried to
करने
stop
लगे
the joints,
और
but the
फैलन भी
joints
पानी
routed
के
their
नीचे
army.
बचा रहा।
Now the
उधर
joints were
एलमोंट ने
throwing
जैक
burning
और
wood into the
इजाबेल को
city.
मिलवाया।
The
उसने
soldiers
राजा
were
को बताया
attacking the
कि उस
joints
दो
with
मुंह वाले
spears, and
जाइंट
for
की
a while
उंगली
they
में
even
ताज
had
है।
the
जब
advantage
तक
in the
हम वो
battle.
हासिल नहीं कर
But the
लेते
joints
इस मुसीबत
attacked
से
back
बच
and
नहीं
broke their
सकते।
weapons.
तभी जाइंट्स ने एक
Fallon
बड़ी
soon
सी
smelled the
घंटी शहर
princess.
में फेंक दी
Isabel
और
and
पुल
Jack
में
were
हुक
hiding in the
लगाकर उसे
king's
खींच
room.
लिया। राजा
General
ने इजाबेल
Fallon
से
soon
कहा कि
found them
अपने
there
कमरे
and
में
fled
जाकर
down a narrow
मशाल जला दो
staircase.
ताकि आसपास के
Fallon broke
दूसरे
through the
राजाओं
wall
को
and grabbed
चेतावनी मिल
Isabel.
सके। उसने
Jack
जैक
tried
से
to
कहा
save
कि मेरी
Isabel,
बेटी का ध्यान
while
रखना।
Fallon was
एलमोंट
intent
और
on
उसके
killing
बाकी
her.
सिपाही
The
पुल को
joint was
संभालने
about to
लगे।
swallow
इजाबेल
Jack.
ने जैक को एक
Just
छोटा
then,
रास्ता
Jack took
दिखाया
out
जो
his
जमीन के
remaining
नीचे
magic bean
मौजूद
and put it in
कब्रों से
his
गुजरता
mouth.
था।
The
जल्द ही
magic
वो
bean
किंग
began to
एरिक की
grow in the
समाधि के
joint's
पास से
stomach,
गुजरे। वो
tearing
राजा
it
के
apart
कमरे
and
तक
bursting
पहुंच गए
out.
पर तभी उन्हें
Meanwhile,
जमीन
the
के
rapidly
नीचे कुछ
growing
सुनाई
plant
दिया।
destroyed the
जनरल
palace.
फैलन नीचे से
As pieces
दीवार
of the
तोड़कर
joint fell
घुस
near
रहा
Jack
था।
and
उसे
Isabel,
देखकर वो
the
लोग
hand
तुरंत
holding the
भागने
crown
लगे।
landed near
सेना
Jack.
जाइंट्स को रोकने की
Meanwhile,
कोशिश
the
करती
remaining
रही पर
joints had
जाइंट्स
pulled
ने
down the
उनकी सेना
bridge.
को धूल
So the
चटा दी।
humans
अब
closed the
जाइंट
doors
शहर के
inside the
अंदर
city.
जलती हुई लकड़ियां
Everyone was
फेंक रहे थे।
prepared for the
सैनिक
joints to
जाइंट्स के
attack
ऊपर
with all
भालों
their
से वार
might.
कर रहे थे और
Suddenly,
कुछ समय
they
तक
saw a
लड़ाई में
magical
उन्हें
plant
फायदा भी
destroying the
मिला पर
castle.
जाइंट्स ने वापस
Suddenly,
हमला
the
किया
joints
और
dropped
उनके
their
हथियार
weapons and
तोड़
knelt
दिए।
before the humans.
फैलन
Jack
को
appeared
जल्द
from
ही
behind,
राजकुमारी की
wearing a
महक आ
crown,
गई।
and
इजाबेल
Isabel
और
grabbed
जैक
his
राजा
hand.
के कमरे में छुपे
Sometime
हुए थे।
later,
जनरल
Jack was
फैलन
telling
ने
his
जल्द
children
ही
the
उन्हें
end of
वहां
the
पर ढूंढ
story,
लिया और
where
वो
the
एक
joints were
तंग
sent
सीढ़ी
back to
से
their
भागने
land and
लगे।
the princess
फैलन
married a
दीवार
village
तोड़कर
boy.
उनके पास
The
पहुंच गया
children
और
asked about
इजाबेल
the
को पकड़
crown,
लिया।
fearing
जैक
what
ने
would happen
इजाबेल
if
को
the
बचाने
joints
की
returned.
कोशिश की जबकि
But Jack
फैलन उसे
explained that the
मारने
crown
पर
was
तुला
kept
हुआ था।
safe in a
अब वो
special
जाइंट
place.
जैक को निगलने
Just
ही
then,
वाला था
Isabel
और तभी
came to
जैक
them,
ने अपना
and
बचा
their
हुआ
lovely
जादुई
family
बीन
began
निकाला
living
और उसके
together.
मुंह में डाल
If you
दिया।
liked the
अब वो
video,
जादुई
please like
बीन
it and
जाइंट के
subscribe
पेट
to the
में उगने
channel.
लगी और
See
उसे
you in the
फाड़ते
next
हुए
video.
बाहर निकल